In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a plane at an angle in Fusion 360. This is an absolutely essential skill for anyone looking to master 3D modeling because you will often find that the default X, Y, and Z planes simply aren't enough for complex designs. If you have ever tried to sketch on a slanted surface or create a feature that doesn't align with the standard grid, you know how frustrating it can be without the right tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to place a construction plane at any degree of rotation to help you build more professional and precise models. This method is incredibly useful for creating angled holes, slanted supports, or unique geometric faces that require a specific orientation. If this video helps you out with your project today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more Fusion 360 tips. Alright, let's get right into the software and get started. First, you need to open your model in Autodesk Fusion 360. Whether you are working on a new design or an existing assembly, make sure you can see the edges or the axes of your parts clearly as we will need them for reference. Now, navigate your mouse to the top toolbar and click on the Construct menu. This menu contains all the options for creating geometry that isn't part of the final body, but helps you build it. From the drop-down list, go ahead and select Plane at Angle. Once you activate this tool, Fusion 360 will ask you to select a line, an edge, or an axis. This selection acts as the hinge or the pivot point that the plane will rotate around. You can choose a straight edge on your 3D body or even one of the default origin axes like the X, Y, or Z axis depending on where you want the plane situated. After you have selected your reference edge, you will notice a circular rotation handle appearing on the screen along with an input box for the angle value. This is where you have total control. You can manually enter the exact angle value in degrees, such as 45 or 30 degrees, or you can simply click and drag the rotation handle to visually position the plane exactly where you need it. If you need to flip the direction or go into negative values, you can do that directly in the dimension box. Take a moment to orbit around your model to ensure the plane is cutting through your workspace at the exact orientation you intended. Once you are satisfied with the positioning and the angle, click the OK button in the dialog box to finalize the process and create the angled plane. You will now see your new construction plane appearing in the workspace and also listed in the construction folder in your browser on the left side of the interface. You can now select this new plane and start a new sketch on it, just like you would with any standard plane. This opens up a whole new world of design possibilities for your 3D prints and engineering projects. It really is that simple to expand your modeling capabilities once you understand how the construction tools work. Now that you have successfully created your plane at an angle, you can keep building your complex geometry with confidence. If you found this walkthrough clear and helpful, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these guides for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Fusion 360 tutorial.